Camera was angling. Just see the suckers feeding there. I'm bouncing because Miss Lovey is. Look at the suckers feeding right there. They eat the moss and the grass off the bottom. There's their suckers. And I think one of them looked like a carp, but these look like suckers from where I'm at. I'm all the way zoomed in. Oh, there's another one joining it. Wow. Suckers, yes. They're having a good time. They're having a feast together. That's how it's done. Oh, I lost track of the other ones. That's good. That's good. Huh? Very nice. Very nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jeez! Came right. He thought I was. Oh! Miss Lovey's got a deer right in front of her. Right in front of her. She said, "Whoa, whoa."